Hi, my name is Melissa, and I help founders of service-based small businesses develop their team's potential through leadership coaching and elevated operating systems. Today, I am excited to share with you the newest Notion template, which is the travel planner. Whether you're going on a solo trip or you're planning for a group with your family or for a business trip, this planner is designed to help you excel in that activity. So starting here at the top, you have a quick glance at total expenses, and they are grouped by category so you can see where your money is going. You can also see the expenses per person. If you need to do that, you have a quick packing list that you can easily just check off once it's packed, and then a task list to help with preparation or any other things that you want to keep top of mind, such as getting extra cash before you leave, checking in early, etc. You have 4 main databases that you're working out of that you can see here in this dashboard. You have the packing list, you have travelers, whether it's yourself or others that you're planning to go with, the events, which is your itinerary, and then your travel tasks. And you can see these here. And backing up quickly, you can also see items that you need to purchase still, like toiletries, before you leave. And then the itinerary here. So scrolling down, you can see your flight, the hotel stay, different activities. So whether you're going shopping, having dinner, or you have an excursion, such as sailing here for this example, you can see that and what the status is. And then down here at the bottom, you can see a map of the different locations that are part of your itinerary. So in this example, you're seeing Anguilla. And going into, or just a couple more tabs here in the preview, you can see your experiences quickly, restaurants and shopping. And then if you know that there's a specific item that you want to wear to dinner, you can click on the add outfit and add that and make sure that that's packed. And going quickly into this, you can see the location here and then the cost, if you're adding an outfit, who the travelers are, and then a preview just so you have getting a vibe check. Or if you want to put in the reservation or receipt here, you can do that on the side. And I've grouped these things so that the databases talk to each other. So you can also, if there's something you need to do as far as a task before dinner, you can add that here, or the packing list, such as your sundress, you'll see that as well. And then the white sundress, you can see it's linked back to dinner. So if you have multiple events that you're wearing something, you can see the different days where you're wearing that outfit. And then you can check the box when it's been packed or if you still need to purchase it, etc. So just a couple extra details there to really make it organized for you if you are the type A planner. And again, keep things at your fingertips. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am excited to share this with you and wish you safe travels.